I absolutely would recommend QLM to other clients.
Whether it's packaging, whether it's labels, very easy to deal with, offers lots of flexibility.
Our experience was really, really good.
They build long-lasting relationships and help you out for over 20 years now.
Great partner to work with.
QLM Label Makers started in 1973 under the house of Del and David Pugh in Windsor in Brisbane. As a business, we've grown up with our clients. Many of our clients we've had for 30 years and longer. They started with us requiring 2,000 labels, and those very same clients now are looking for label runs of 100, 300, a million labels.
I think our strength at QLM is the way that we really care and service our customers. We can see a project from the start to the finish, and we get excited about the success of our customers' journey.
We also worked with Thirsty Fox to help design our stand-up pouch, and so we're really happy with the quality of the design and the finished product.
And so our technology has grown up with our clients, so too has our offering.
QLM Label Makers is the most diverse label and packaging manufacturer in Australia. QLM offers a wide range of services to our clients, from printed labels, blank labels, thermal printers, colour printers, flexible packaging and printed cartons.
We also offer printed rewind. This includes many industries including supplements and pet food. QLM stand-up pouches offer many features, including the hang cell, which is good if you need to present your product at the supermarket. We also have rounded corners, and we also have a tear notch. We also offer a zipper for resealability.
The facility, QLM has also invested heavily in the digital space, having a fleet of HP presses to produce digital labels and packaging, as well as a digital sheet offering in its Vietnam facility.
So for digital printing, it's great for startup businesses who just want to test the market, and then they can progress into the BOPS machine, which is good for large run printing.
The vision for QLM is to be complete label and packaging solution partner for our clients. But more importantly, the mission that drives QLM is to maintain mutually beneficial and sustainable long-term relationships with all of our stakeholders, making sure that as a company, we continue to do the right thing at a corporate level, whilst growing our teams internally, ensuring our clients have access to the latest in technology and investment,